Hep around the house. I have a couple of cast iron pans. This one has a nice smooth bottom, and this one has that ledge on there. That ledge is coming off. I've had this pan for 20-25 years, and I hate that part about it, so we'll be taking that off. Put the gloves, eye protection, ear protection, respirator on. Got a grinder to take care of this. It's all strapped down nice and tight. Turn it on. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. Let me take my personal protection gear off. Oh, I hate wearing it. Let's bring you in for a little bit closer look. It's the bottom of a pan. Who's gonna notice? But it is smooth now. Let's go throw it on the stove and see what it feels like. Oh, I like that a lot better. Now what I'll do is I'll wash the whole thing up, of course. Put some olive oil on it. And season the bottom of the pan so it'll look similar to that ugly thing. And now I'm just going to be applying. This is just very light olive oil. This a couple, 3 or 4 times, and you'll have look like this Wagner here, where it's really ugly. All right, 5 times. Wipe, and then you bake it. And look at it, got a nice mahogany color, and it'll continue to darken as I use it, and it works so much better. Doesn't grab and flip, and it doesn't also, it would also do this so the oil runs to one side because it's no longer level. Still pretty warm. But yeah, great fun little project to get the ridge off. I know you can probably buy them without the ridge, but I already had the pan. I wasn't gonna buy another one. So yeah, great little project, came out nice. So this is Hep Around the House. If you get anything out of the video, consider hitting the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, see you next time.